Hello, I'm Marc Warde. I'm one of the owners of Niche Gluten-Free Dining in Islington. For this dish, I'm planning to do a dessert donut, which is a dairy-free rice donut based on the Japanese dessert onigiri. So we make a dairy-free rice pudding using almond milk, basically made with pudding rice, which is short grain rice, maple syrup, pinch of salt, nutmeg and cinnamon. That's cooked slowly. You can cook it in the oven or you can cook it on a stove. When that has become thick, we let that set overnight in the fridge. When it's cold, it becomes kind of fairly solid, so we roll that into balls and then coat it in desiccated coconut, deep fried, and then when that's cooked for about 3 minutes, we serve that with a fruit chutney, so whatever that may be in season at that time. Another thing you can do with the rice balls is actually you can fill them, so a bit like a arancini you have as a savoury version, you can do a sweet one where you fill it with either a chocolate sauce or a toffee sauce or salted caramel sauce, and then you enclose that around, and then when you fry it, you've got this delicious sauce after you've opened it inside. It's a great sweet treat that children and adults will enjoy. It's easy, it's a nice treat. You could have it at a party, you could have it as an easy dessert, especially for dinner parties because you can just roll it up and it's kind of cutesy. It's great with chocolate sauce as well. Obviously we serve it with the fruit sauce, but actually good old Nutella is absolutely delicious with it.